Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy home decor. We'll be decorating a wooden tray using crafts that I have already created in the past, and also I'm going to be sharing just everyday items that you may have at your home. We'll be using those as well. Okay, so for this project you will need one wooden tray, and I'll go ahead and put below in the description the wooden tray that I actually built. And for the first design, I'm going to use my Home Sweet Home sign, a honey jar, a candle, and some foliage. Okay, for the first design, I decided to use my cute little honey jar. It actually comes with a lid, but I won't be using the lid. And then I decided to add some faux foliage into the honey jar. Okay, so after adding the foliage into the honey jar, I decided to add my miniature Home Sweet Home sign in the corner of the tray. And then just to finish it off, I decided to add a candle. And that is actually it for this tray design. Okay, so for this tray design, I'm using my clay pot that I had created in a previous craft, and I'll also link it in the description. I'll add my candle. I'll also add my hello sign. And then I'm going to add in a jar that I also created, and I added some wildflowers as well as a little bumblebee, and I'll add that in the description as well. And that completes this tray. Okay, so for this last tray, I decided to add a candle with some coffee beans in a jar to the tray. I'll also add my, it's a clay pot with a clay saucer, and I will include that into the description. It has craft moss and some faux flowers. I'm adding in my little bunnies that I decorated using Mod Podge and a decorative napkin. And then just to finish off the tray, I'm just adding in some faux flowers on the tray, and then I'll add in some faux foliage as well. And that will complete this last tray design. Okay, so I also wanted to include fun ways that you can display your faux flowers, either using crafts that you have created or items in your home. So here I have a candle jar that I just went ahead and I painted. So if you have a candle jar, you can reuse that, and you can just add in some of your faux flowers into the candle jar. And then of course the one behind that, it was a clay pot from a previous craft. So you just add some acrylic paint, decorate it, and it's just a great way to display flowers. Here I have my mini watering can. I love using this in the springtime to display my flowers. So you can use this and just add in some of your faux flowers and some foliage, and it's just adorable. Also, here I'm reusing a jam jar that I had. It's just super adorable. Just if you have some clear glue, you can add that in on the bottom of that and add your wildflowers. And then, like I said, this one is my saucer and my clay pot, and all I did was I added some craft moss and faux flowers, and that is it. This is just a great way and a fun way to display your faux flowers. Thank you all for coming along and creating with me. I'll see you soon.